Hi guys, good noon. Right now we're here at Alabar restaurant. So we're eating what we call this, our lunch. So this is actually what we had. Yeah, what we had indeed. Yeah. Shout out madam. So we are here. Anyway, I have to introduce my classmate is Colonel Majam, or Attorney Outlaw. That is Colonel Clet. Or Pugito before, Colonel Masinsin, the very shy and meek classmate. Roger, I don't know what is his how can I describe him? I don't know. His behalf, I mean, Mrs. Papillero and Mrs. Claire. This is Engineer Papillero, the very shy type among the class.
Very talkative.
Yeah, actually this is our lunch. And yours truly is in the screen always. Okay? So everybody is enjoying, although we are just but 9 in numbers, but yet we have maximized the presence of everyone here. I see. No one's everybody in the Papillero. You want to save me from the flow of Kevin Marconi?